this. Like, seriously. Welcome to another episode of Your Guide on Ghana. My name is Ivy Prosper, and in this episode, I take a hike up to the Wli Waterfalls, which are located in the Volta region of Ghana. As part of the VisitVolta campaign and being an official ambassador of travel and tourism in the Volta region. All right, so we're walking to the Wli Waterfalls, and we're moving at a quick pace because we are behind schedule and I am so tired. I was sleeping when we stopped, so I didn't even realize everybody was getting off the bus. Then I woke up and half the people are off the bus. So I had to get myself together quickly and come. Here we are walking. Oh, is this a tour guide?
Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Matthew Kwesi Jiraku, but my guy name is called Master Key. We are now going to the highest waterfalls in West Africa. And we are going to walk 35-40 minutes, but I know the step of you, when we hurry up, it can be 30 minutes. As boss said, we should come back quick. So, roughly we are going to cross 9 bridges before to the falls. And the first bridge we are here now, you are seeing, is a falls from Togo. It's a river from Togo. We are in border. So this river strikes us from Togo and enter Ghana, and then go and join the first river before to River Volta. This river's name is called River Nubi, N-U-B-U-I. After this river, it's a very strong river. Last year, when going, you can see our bridges. So our director says he's going to think about it. The 8th bridge we are going to cross. That's the first river called River Agumacha. As I said, the highest waterfalls in West Africa. The height of it is 855 meters height. Both from the up, we have the upper falls and lower falls. As I said, 9 bridges. From bridge number 9 to the lower falls take only 1 minute. And the same time from bridge number 9 to the upper falls take 1.5 hours hiking up, 1.5 hours down. Because boss is coming, they said, no, Matthew will go. And in the year 1869, by a hunter called Mr. Adika, he had been going to this forest in that over 200 years ago in the 1869 in a spiritual movement, because according to elders, they said there's wild animals. When he came back, called the elders to come and help him, give them the power, and they follow him to carry the animals. This is the first person who saw the falls in the old ancient time. So this Mr. Adika, up to now, foreigners, Ghanaians all want to see a picture of him, but no more. It's a long, long, long time, in the year 1869. Up to now. And the name of the river, I call it already River Agumacha. So this Togo River joined him at the down below before to River Volta. So the mountain name is called Mountain Asoglo. And in the forest now, Game and Wildlife, in the year they give interval of 100 years again, since I said, in the year 1869. So they start operating this force in the year 1969. They give 100 years ahead to it. So Game and Wildlife come and spray the whole forest with a helicopter so that the foreigners, everybody can be free to enter. If lion is there right now, Master Key is not going. So you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are good.
Thank you. He said if a lion is not there, Master Key isn't going.
Gently,
So.
gently.
If lion is there now, Master Key is not going.
I'm sure this man is in great shape because he is going up and down this every day, multiple times a day, taking people. I'm sure he is in the best physical fitness shape. And you police officers, this is an easy walk for you too, where you work out and exercise.
police are doing like their marching song or something. And you know the song because you're clapping. Crossing the second river now. I'm tired already. The third river that we're crossing. Crossing the third river.
If you don't have energy.
Okay, as we continue on the journey. Good afternoon. See, they must live in these mountains. Whew. The beauty of trees.
Full energy. Full energy. Full energy.
He's like full energy. You have to take your time. They're rushing far ahead. It's not good on the breathing if you're not used to this. Also because we're climbing up, the altitude, the air is going to be different. So it's like we have to allow ourselves time to adjust going up. Whew. Alright, here we go. Ooh, there's a bench here to sit if you want to rest. I think we're almost there. Getting close. But I thought he said there was 9 rivers to cross. Or was I not paying attention?
They think twice when I do
Different kind of experience you always have when you come to the Volta region.
Sure.
So no matter the number of times you come to Wli Waterfalls, you would still enjoy it because you see, you come in with different group of people anytime you come around, and they all carry different kind
energy.
of flavor and different
Oh,
energy.
bro.
That is
Tell
how
me
we do
Tell me your
it.
channel.
So just watch more on 1957 Footprint
1957,
Tours.
yes.
It's on Facebook, it's on YouTube, and let's promote Volta region.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're struggling to keep up. Those police officers have just boom, 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 like it's a military march.
Yes,
They're singing their music, marching along at their speed, and the rest of us are trying to keep up. We're out here trying to keep up. I started to slow down and just take it all in. Look at this. This is the beauty of nature. Wow. Jifa, how's your experience?
Oh, so we've crossed what, some 5 bridges or something?
I think so, 5.
Stop counting.
Maybe 6,
but
I don't know.
It's been a good walk. I have a little friend with me who is motivating me, and I'm keeping at it, and it's good.
Good.
I must admit, I wish I could drive there.
Oh, that would be nice, because this walk, woo!
It's quite a walk.
It is. It is quite a walk. Approaching the falls. Approaching the Wli Waterfalls. Beauty of the Volta region. Look at the rainbow. Look at that beauty. It's just beautiful. I'm just looking up at, wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This, like, seriously. Can't come all the way here and not go in the water. And this is my first time at Wli Waterfalls. I've been to the Volta region many times, but this is my first time coming to the falls, and it is breathtaking. It is beautiful. Anyone who wants to come to the Volta region, you should come to the Wli Waterfalls because it's an experience unlike any other. I really wish that there was more time. I would love to have just gone in the water with like a swimsuit and just taken my time to just take it all in, because not only is it the beauty of nature, but it's also like a spiritual experience, because you're feeling one with the earth, you're feeling one with nature, and I wish there was more time. It's beautiful. It's a wonderful experience. You should come. So now we are walking back. We've been walking for a while, taking our time coming down after seeing the beautiful falls and experiencing it. If you come to the Volta region, it's a really good idea for you to add this to your itinerary because it was a beautiful view. Take the time. Today was really rushed because we were on a schedule, but if you do come and you come on your own, you know, with your group, it's good to just have, you know, at least an hour, at least a couple of hours to just take it all in and take all the shots that you need just to remember it. So we are almost at the very bottom of the trail leading back from the Wli Waterfalls here in the Volta region. I want to thank you for watching this episode of Your Guide on Ghana. Don't forget to like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.